Hello children, welcome back to the class. Today we will learn about World War I and II. A century ago, in the summer of 1914, a series of events set off the global conflict that has never happened before, that ultimately claimed the lives of more than 16 million people. This act was a massive conflict that lasted for 4 years. Many people died. The battlefield conditions were horrific, with the modern use of weapons, machinery, and the tactics of warfare which had the power to kill the armies. World War I was the most deadliest conflict, claiming millions of casualties on all sides. A set of series of events that culminated in a declaration of war between Austria, Hungary, and Serbia. All major European powers were drawn into the world, which spread around the globe and became the first world war in human history. 30 nations were involved in the First World War, which started in July 1914 and came to an end only in November 1918. It left millions of soldiers dead and countless others wounded. It is regarded as one of the deadliest conflicts in human history. People were desperate for peace. So the League of Nations, an organization for international cooperation, was formed in January 1920. Its main purpose was to help solve causes of quarrel between two countries so that war could be avoided. But it failed and Germany again started a war in 1939. This turned into the Second World War and it lasted till 1945. US dropped atomic bombs on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This shocked the whole world. The devastation was so severe that for years these two cities were ghost towns. World War II is also known as the Second World War, which lasted from 1939 to 1945. It involved the vast majority of the world's countries. World War II was the biggest and the deadliest war in history, involving more than 30 countries. It was fought between Axis powers that are Germany, Italy, Japan, and the Allied powers Britain, US, Soviet Union, and France. The Second World War killed around 70 million people. It started in Europe but spread throughout the world. As the League of Nations had not been able to prevent the eruption of the Second World War, Britain, France, and the United States of America dissolved the League of Nations. It was replaced by the United Nations Organization, that is, UN. Its main mission was to maintain global peace and security. It started off with 51 member countries on 24 October 1945. India joined the UN on 30 October 1945. There were 193 member countries now. All the member countries worked together to make the world a peaceful and comfortable place. This is a logo of UN. The olive branches are a symbol of peace and the world map represents all the people and the countries. White and blue are the official colors of the UN. It represents promote economic, social and cultural development, encourage nations to provide humanitarian aid to save succeeding generations by preventing further wars, promote human rights and fundamental freedom of people, maintain international peace and security. The UN is a huge organization with 6 major bodies. The General Assembly, which holds meetings with all the member countries. The Secretariat takes care of all the administrative work. The Security Council has 15 member countries. It is the most important body of the UN. The Economic and the Social Council deals with problems of poverty, illiteracy and famine and other disasters. The International Court of Justice is the judicial body of the UN and is based in the Netherlands. The A Trustship Council has been helping colonized countries to become independent and have their own government. The United Nations consists of agencies which manage work around the world. The three most important ones are UNICEF, that is United Nations Children Fund; UNESCO, the United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization; WHO, the World Health Organization.